Okay, good morning. We are here at Kalahari unexpectedly. We were supposed to be at Rehoboth Beach with Allison and her softball team, but the tournament got unexpectedly canceled due to severe weather. So, making the best of it, we are at Kalahari. We're gonna go play some mini golf and then go back to the resort here and swim and go to the water park. We are here at Kalahari, starting off playing mini golf in the rain.
Hold down, man. Justin's up. Oh. Missed the ball.
There you go.
Oh.
Alright, we won't count that as a penalty because that's for handicap. Oh, nice bounce.
Hole in one!
Oh, on. Oh! Oh, get over. Oh, down the first one. We're going to see what that does. Ends up about the same. Well, a little further. Look at this course, though. You got the gorillas on zip lines. Got a water tower. There's actually two courses here. We're only playing one of them. Oh, got the bounce the wrong way.
Because that's where I got it.
Oh! Right over the
Mine's
hole.
out
Then
somehow.
just put it right here. Yeah.
No, 6 inches. So that doesn't count.
I got the same. Look at the stream built into this course. This course is very pretty. Got a couple of waterfalls right here. One all the way in the back there. One right here in front of us. Right next to. Alright, here we are at the final hole. 18th hole. The Gorilla Grove Easy Course. Allison's up to putt.
Oh!
Not a bad.
This close. This close. Snap, dingle, pop. Not.
Justin's in no man's land.
No, you're not.
Oh, he came out of it.
I didn't hit it hard enough.
Oh, this is a pipe.
Yeah, takes it right back in.
Two.
Why don't they come out and get them?
Ooh, might have some back. No.
3.
Huge resort. 8-story building tower of hotel rooms in front. 9-story here to my right. We are all the way down the end of this side. So, got a long walk no matter where we go here. But at least we got the room early, which meant we were able to drop off our stuff early. So we are here looking at the menu for Cinco Niños, restaurant that was not here the last time. So we're checking out the outside here at Kalahari.
Remember that?
It's very bright out. It's a very small area out here, but we'll see how the kids like it. Here's a view from the outside pool and slide area than some of the indoor slides that make their way out here. Don't usually get to see them this close. Usually we can see them from the highway, but not from here.
I was scared on the steps and then I got on and it was fun.
That was fun. You want to do it again? Alright, we're sitting at the bottom of the Anaconda slide. It's more of a water coaster, and the kids are coming down now. Catch them on the way out here.
I was scared on the steps and then I got on and it was fun.
That was fun. And this is what the kids have been doing every time we've been in the hallway. They are skipping or taking large steps together. They are loving being here at Kalahari at the water park. Did not film a lot in the water park because, well, it's a little creepy. So, filmed what I could and tried to get more shots later. They're heading to dinner now, and then also later the kids want to go to the arcade because there is a human claw machine that they want to do. Alright, so here we are with a view from above the water park. This is just off the lobby. Let's see here. Justin and I are sitting here in front of the fire in the lobby. Allison went to change her shoes so that we can go have her and Justin become human claw machines. Okay, there goes Justin in the human claw machine, rather. Look at this. Where is he? How low did he go? For a banana. How's Allison? She's doing the same thing. She is going on the human claw in the corner. Let's see if she can get it. Woo! She got the alien! After the excitement of the human claw machine, the kids now want to play some games.
Okay, now get ready. Pull the handle to spin the wheel, eh? You spun that wheel so many times, I think the fish may be dizzy.
Allison has both her and her alien friend playing. Aww. Okay. Here the kids go. Back to the room. Allison's giving a piggyback ride to her alien, and Justin is carrying his banana. Sing that again.
It's banana to be alien.
Keep going.
I don't know the right.
Your turn.
No.
No?
I'm gonna spit down.
Alright, I'm not sure how much you can hear me over the sound of the flow rider, but here's Justin doing his turn on the flow rider here at Kalahari. There we go. Bam! He saved it! Oh, he did it and he didn't.
Come on, Justin.
Come on, buddy! Bomb. There he goes. Now he's doing some tricks. Woo! got stuck. He got... Okay, Justin is now being loaded into the capsule for the drop slide. It's all the way up there at the top. And in a moment, we'll see him down here at the bottom of the... There he goes. He just dropped in. And in a second, he's going to be coming out. There he is. Alright, Justin is now going down the near vertical slide. It looks like he's getting ready at the top. There he comes. Before you know it, it's over. And it's over. There is the hand. There he is. The kids are doing tube slides now, and this should be them coming out. Yep, there's Allison, and here's Justin coming out backwards, looking all nice and zen. Look at them. It's quiet here, so we're going to try to get some of the park. Kids are going to the Anaconda, which is the water coaster here on the left. Back at Gorilla Grove, we are waiting for the children to do the zip line. And then once they do that, we're going to go play some laser tag. Alright. All the way out there in the distance, that is where the kids are getting put onto the lines now. Alright, here she comes. I thought she might have been getting scared, but no, she is on her way. There she comes. Straight down, all the way to the bottom. Woo! How was it? Allison, how was it? Was it fun?
So much fun.
Was that fun?
Yeah, now I just gotta go convince Justin.
I'm so proud of you for doing that. I'm very proud of you for doing that.
I was a little scared. I was nervous.
I know. It is nerve-wracking, isn't it, being that high
Yeah.
up? All right, go tell Justin how much fun it was.
Okay.
Here comes Allison on a second run down the zip line. Let's see how much fun she had this time. Was that just as much fun? We just finished our 3 games of laser tag where we went against each other in every combination possible. We are now finished at Gorilla Grove, and we're gonna go find something to eat quick. More importantly, get some water and drinks in us.
Yes.
And